Hello everybody, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to this really quick video about how to resize an image for free. So we're visiting here this website. It's called peakresize.com. I just want to let this very clear. This is not my website and I'm not getting paid to do this video. I'm just sharing this with you because I actually use this website to resize some of my images when I'm doing my posts. And I thought that could be helpful for you too. Okay, so the only thing you have to deal with that is a little annoying is all the ads that come up, but this is it. So you just have to close if you don't want to click on it. And then what you do is you click right here in the middle where you're going to upload the image that you want to resize. We're going to be playing with my own logo here. So I'm going to click this. And is uploaded right here. So I go to continue to edit picture. I move a little bit lower here so you can see the image. So as you can see, the image is pretty big, it's 3215 by 1502. And by default, once you download it, it gives you this option here of reducing to 50% smaller, so it would be 1608 by 751. But if this size is not good, if you want to reduce even more or less, what you can do is click here. So it gives you the option 25%, 50%, 75, or you can actually also pick a custom size. I'm just going to do here 75% smaller, so just to use as an example. And one other thing that you can do too, besides resizing, you can actually crop. You can crop your image. So let's just do that right now so I can show you how it works. Okay, so you click here and you're going to move your lines to where you want. Okay. So let's just take the slogan out and keep just the image and the name. Okay. All right, so crop selection. Oh, okay, it cropped. So you saw it took the letters, that phrase out, and now you're going to, as you can see here, it's going to go from 3215 to 804, and go down, and you can pick the format that you want your picture to come out, the image. In my case, I'm going to keep as a PNG, but you have other options here, whatever you prefer. And then you come to I'm done, resize my picture. So it's saying here that was already done, successfully resized. And what they do is they delete automatically within 20 minutes, so they don't save your image. So that's kind of cool, right? You don't want your image out there. All right, so you can just click here to view the image to see what it looks like once it's done. Looks pretty cool, just like I want it. And then if you're happy with what you got, you just have to go down here and save to disk in the case it's going to come to my laptop. Okay, so that's all I got, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Really quick, but I think it's helpful and free. Isn't that nice? Okay, so thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks for watching this quick video. Come back again. I'll always be adding new information, new cool stuff for you guys. All right, stay healthy, be safe, and be good. All right, talk to you later. Bye.